Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to raise an event from our custom control. When the word contains a number, our custom control will raise an event and the client can handle the raised event. Now let's see how to raise an event from our user control. The code will be simple, so let's directly go to the demo. Our control already have an array list, right? Now we will create an event, right? Public event handler, and the event name is number found. So we will raise this number found event from this is where we are testing, right? So when there is a number, we are highlighting it with a red color. So this is the perfect place to raise the event. So if a client wants to perform further processing for when the number is found, we can raise an event. And if you see, the event name what we gave is number found, and number found dot invoke this event docs. So the error is the object reference is required for non-static field. So render word, we made it as static, right? Remove that static keyword. And here we are invoking the event handler. Let us rebuild the solution. Alright, things are going fine. Now if you see, we introduced the event handler here, and we are invoking that event handler, or we are raising that event inside the wait found routine, right? Here when wait is found, we are showing we are rendering the HTML in red color, and at the same time here we are raising the event so that client can handle the event. Now let's go to our client project. And we will switch to design view. Now let's say select the control. This is our num highlighter control, right? Since it was hard to select in the design view, we selected that in the source view. Now we are moving to properties window, right? Num highlighter is selected here. Let's go to the events tab. So in the events tab, now you can find the event which we introduced, right? That is number found. So before using this, what we will do, we will go to our design view. We will bring up the toolbox and add a standard label control. Let's go to property and name this as LBL display, and we will select our num highlighter, go to property, the events, handle the number found event, right? Here we can make use of LBL display dot text equal to number found. right? Now we will rebuild the solution and run it. This is a test string, and if you see, we don't have any number, and when we are setting the text, the label doesn't display anything. This time we are introducing a number, and when we click set text, we will be seeing the number found. So our control renders the text with the number, and at the same time it is raising the event, and the raised event control is raising the event, right? Our custom control is raising the number found, and that is handled by our web form. That's why here you are seeing the number found. In our handling code, we just put a text, but the client can even run a different business logic. So it's up to the client. So it is up to the client to decide what to do when a number was found, right? Also, when we are raising the event in the number highlighter, in the event arcs, we are setting the empty, right? If you want, you can create your own event argument class and pass the number which was found here. This way, client can receive the number and they can use the number in the business logic. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.